Inside of Autodesk Inventor, it's very easy and quick to create 3D parametric models. As you can see here, users from a 2D environment should find it relatively straightforward, as the geometric shapes and geometry are easily recognizable, and all our 3D models start from a 2D basis. Once the 2D sketch has been created, we can use 3D features such as the extrude tool to add parametrical capability to our models and turn our 2D data into 3D data very simply. We can even reuse that 2D data for multiple 3D features. Along with regular tools such as chamfer and fillet tools, you can see we can quickly and easily enhance our 2D designs into 3D models with just a couple of clicks. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to turn a very basic 2D sketch into a complicated 3D model. We can even use specialty tools like the hole tool to quickly add multiple holes to our parts with varying different levels of intelligence. Things like clearance hole, taper holes, taper tapped holes, counterbored and countersunk holes. Once we are happy with the completed design, we can check its parametric capabilities by looking into our parameters table and adjusting some of the values. Here you can see the model updating automatically with just a couple of quick changes. Once we are happy with our design, we can start new designs using legacy CAD data. Here you will see I can copy and paste my CAD data into a new 3D model and use the same extrusion tools to turn this 2D CAD data into intelligent 3D data. As you can see here, the copy geometry can be used on multiple planes. And we can quickly and easily convert our 2D CAD data into 3D Inventor models. Once our parts have been modelled, we can add those to an assembly and using either constraints or joints, we can quickly assemble our parts. as you can see, it really does only take a couple of clicks to create a fully working assembly. With the assembly completed, it's then off to the 2D drawings. And here you will see the process get even quicker, where we simply select our base view and then drag out the corresponding views from that. Adjust the view style so hidden lines appear, and even add shading or change the scaling of views to suit. Dimensions are easily added. And you'll see with one dimension tool we can create various different dimension types, including angular, radial or linear dimensions. Once we are happy with the dimensioning, we can add parts lists which are generated automatically based on the number of items inside of our assembly. These can also be adjusted to create us automatic cut list and provide weight information and material specifications.